Today I'm going to be looking at this folding platform truck that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box and check this thing out. All right, here it is. Looks really simple, just a little bit of assembly. You got to put those casters on, but it comes with all the hardware, the tool to put it on, even comes with a bungee. And it looks like it's going to be a pretty nice cart. Let's get this thing assembled. All right, here it is with the wheels put on. I folded the handle up. It does fold up and down. You just push down this little bar right here and it releases the handle so they can fold down. And then you can just fold the handles up. It will automatically push the bar in place. Like I said, it does come with this bungee and the tool and the manual. Real simple. You just got to put the casters on, and then it comes with the little plugs to fill in those little holes there. It does not have any lock-in wheels. The wheels in the back are just straight and stationary. They roll. They're 5-inch wheels. Really nice bearings in them, but the two front ones are swivel. They're 360-degree swivel, and they also are 5-inch wheels with bearings because this thing will hold like 660 pounds. I'm going to go ahead, pull this thing around the driveway and see how well it rolls. So I've put probably, I'm guessing 200, maybe 250 pounds of weight with these toolboxes and everything on here. And this thing still rolls, turns very easy. You can tell those ball bearing casters just really take the weight with no problem. It is cool that it folds down with just the press of that bar right there. Makes it really easy to stow. And it has these like little rubber pieces here on the bottom, quite a few of them. And they're there to make, you know, it kind of stick to the platform in case you put like something that would maybe slide real easy. These are here to help it not slide. So I like that. You've also got these little holes here where you can grab it easy with your hands. There's 4 of them based on which direction you grab it. And you can just lay this thing against a wall. So I really like it. I think you will too. And I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.